We all know the importance of checking our work. We've been hearing about it since we were in grade school. But for some reason, people tend to ignore the fact that you can double check your work when also creating a poll with Intellivy. So as you create your situation, putting my keywords in, and even as I review the AI versions of the situation that are offered to me, it's important that I always double check my work to ensure that I'm not creating any unnecessary biases when putting my poll together, and that I'm actually getting the answers that I want. So here, as I add my product, I'm going to use our Fetch ASIN tool. And as I put that in, and make any adjustments that I want to the images, to the title, anything else, making sure that I'm hiding all the things that I don't want feedback on. Don't forget to come down here to the bottom of the screen, right next to our checkout call to action, and review what you put together. Here you'll get a step-by-step preview of exactly the situation, and also understanding that the situation is presented to the poll respondents before they ever see any part of what they're giving feedback on. So they imagine themselves in this shopping scenario. They then, on a scale of 1 to 5, give feedback on that specific shopping scenario, and then share what are the most important product features when thinking about a solution for that situation. From there, you can see exactly how your product is going to be presented in the poll. This is the situation that the shoppers are presented with, and this is the question that they need to answer. Oftentimes, when going through a poll setup, you get a lot of understandings of differences that you need to make to get the right results on your poll and get the most out of every single response that you get. So whatever you do, don't sleep on our poll preview. It can really help you eliminate biases and ensure that you're getting the best responses on every single poll that you launch.